but even a point or two higher than that, you can call it a majority. So a majority, more than half of sit downs result in a membership sale. Not a half of text messages sent out, which back then we didn't have texting, but it wasn't texting. It wasn't half of the emails you send out. It's not half of, it was half of sit downs. So we want to get sit downs going on. We're going to get that launched ASAP. And I'm going to go live later on Facebook today. I'm going to send out an email blast to everybody launching a blitz. So I hope that you guys are excited about seeing a lot of coffee appointments going on. And I would encourage you all, I said this a few weeks ago on one of our ED calls, that a 2-on-1 is better than a 1-on-1. If you are willing, some of you guys may not be willing to go sit down with your associate and their prospect for coffee. You might say that's not leveraged activity. That's too little reward for that kind of a commitment to go drive a half an hour and sit there with somebody and come back half an hour. There's a couple hours out of your day. For one membership sale, I'm bigger than that. I'm hoping to convey to you that I would consider that is slow down to speed up.